Hello and welcome to this week's episode of I-Techie. Coming up, we check up on our local cyberfolk who recently gathered together at a blogger's dineup. But what was on the menu? Plus, we take a look at ways to jazz up your iPhone with the latest in cool accessories. Plus, your PC could be under attack as we speak, but luckily, we've got the tips and tricks you need to keep everything running smoothly. So don't go anywhere, all of that and more is coming up right now on I-Techie. The iPhone has to be one of the coolest phones on the market today. The sheer innovative design of it sets it apart from every other phone out there. Multi-touch interactivity allows you to interact with the device in a completely different way than previously existed. You directly interact with the screen rather than with clumsy buttons. Coming from the same guys behind the iPod, music and movie playback were expectedly pretty seamless. They even provided you with the Genius feature, which automatically makes playlists of songs in your library that go perfectly together, never letting the flow break. The touchscreen aspect of it allows for imaginative games, which you can download directly thanks to the Wi-Fi enabled on your phone or an Edge or GPRS brought to you by your service provider. If games aren't your thing, there is a plethora of other apps you can download. To top it off, it has a camera with which you can either take photos or videos, which you can then browse through with the flick of a finger. Well, as you can see, the iPhone is an almost perfect phone. And how do you improve upon perfection? With accessories. Indeed, lo and behold, some of the coolest iPhone accessories available today. Ever felt like you're straining your eyes while watching movies on your iPhone? Now, with Honlite Technologies' Quingbar MP101 projector for your iPhone, you can just sit back and relax as you plug your iPhone into the top-loading port and watch a screen display with an astounding 37 inches at a 640 by 480 pixel resolution. It even includes built-in speakers and charges your iPhone while you play. However, as power of light goes, it can only be measured by 10 to 15 lumens, and the contrast ratio is only about 200 to 1. It may not be as clear as an HDMI projector, but it will definitely get the job done. The iPhone works by the touch of your fingers. If you try using anything else like a pen or ruler, you'll see that it only responds to human touch. If chubby fingers make it hard for you to use it, fear not, for the Japanese have an apt answer for this: the iPhone Touch Pen Stylus by ThinkGeek. What it does is reproduce capacitive touch technology to emulate the electron flow of a human skin, hence making it suitable for use with your iPhone screen, without laying a finger on it. You can use the stylus for touching, tapping, and dragging on your iPhone. Also, you will find a hidden SIM eject tool at the back end of it, which is useful for quick swaps. The iPhone Japanese Touch Pen Stylus is available in black and silver, and is a bargain at less than 2,000 rupees. As far as the iPhone camera goes, there's always room for advancements. It isn't the best quality camera out there, but by attaching certain accessories, you can turn it into anything you want. If you want to satisfy the inner stalker within you, go for ThinkGeek's mini telescope attachment. This will give your iPhone 6x zoom, manual focus, a 6x18 lens, and a 9-degree field of view. Even though the picture quality is less than spectacular, this is also a good deal, costing less than 2,000 rupees. If you're using a second or third generation iPhone, however, you're out of luck because this only works with the first generation device. Another deficiency of the built-in camera is the fact that the image blurs whenever it gets too close to something. The best solution for a macro lens comes in the form of the Clarify protective case with built-in close-up lens. Unlike the telescope, this is only available for 3G models. Snap on the polycarbonate case and then slide the Clarify lens into place over your iPhone's built-in lens. After this small adjustment, you'll see that your macro and close-up shots have incredible detail, perfect for capturing small details and text. Once you want to take a shot from a normal distance, all you have to do is slide the lens aside. Now, if not for this lens, you would need to keep your iPhone about 18 inches away from the object to focus properly. With the Clarify lens, all you need is 4 inches. If you're looking to boost your iPhone's potential, we hope these suggestions helped you out. By getting the right accessories, you can put together the phone you always wanted. They say it's the clothes that make a man. In this case, it's the accessories that make the iPhone. Mankind has always had a fascination with space and space travel. To boldly go where no man has gone before. And we expect anything that comes from space to be equally exciting. Even beer. 256 packs of beer spent 5 months in the Zvezda service module of the International Space Station and are now being sold right here on Earth. It's through a lottery for a whopping 10,000 yen, or $110 each. Unfortunately, you have to live in Japan to avail of this offer.
Satellite broadcaster Sky has plans to launch Europe's first 3D TV channel next year. As promotion for the channel, an ad campaign was shown to the public before screenings of James Cameron's Avatar in 700 cinemas throughout the UK and is set to run for 6 weeks. Once it launches, the channel will work on the same underlying technology as that being used in cinemas. Avatar was chosen for the consumer awareness campaign since Cameron used 3D filming techniques to create it. This is sure to give viewers a first-hand glimpse of what they will experience next year.